the reason I love this indicator so much is because this will save you. And this is pretty much the indicator that I use to enter my trades, right? It will give you an edge because it will show you what is happening in the market when we get to key levels that the regular old RSI and McDonald's cannot. Now this combines RSIs. This money flow is not the MACD, guys. People say, oh, it's just the MACD. No, it's not the MACD. This VWAP is a custom VWAP. This money flow is a custom money flow. These RSIs are custom RSIs. And it's an all-in-one package where very easily, just by looking at your chart without having to go into complicated other charts, right? You can get all the same information. For example, the short right up here was very easy to take. Although it was scary at the time, I'm not gonna lie. It was very easy to take because we could clearly see, not only was the momentum coming down, but see this blue stuff right here? This is Market Cipher by CryptoFace, right? This blue stuff down here, okay? Do you know what this is? This blue stuff is, it's Zevia Cola, okay? Zevia Cola. Let's search for it. Zevia Cola. Come on, DuckDuckGo. Don't fail me now. I'm live on the internet. Okay, here we go. Zevia Cola. When this stuff is filled with Zevia Cola, we have to understand something about Zevia Cola. It has caffeine. See, we see very clearly it contains caffeine. What does caffeine do? Caffeine gives you energy. It makes you high. When we see the caffeine is leaving the market, as the price continues to get higher and we see the caffeine coming out of the market, what does that mean? It means price is going to come down. This is a key indicator. You will not find this on any other indicator, right? If you combine this with the momentum waves and key levels of support and resistance, it has a very high accuracy, extremely high. For scalping, for swing trading, I was able to long the exact bottom of the move right here. The exact bottom. First of all, I had a level there, right? You can't forget about the level. We had two levels of confluence right there. But if we take a look at Market Cipher B on all the time frames, it was clearly telling us that we were going to get a move to the upside from that important level. Let's see. Right? Look at this. From the 4-hour time frame down, actually even on the 12-hour time frame, guys. On the 12-hour time frame, when we come down to this level, we are getting a big old juicy BitBoy green dot right here. Okay, this is telling us we have reached a significant bottom. We go to the 4-hour time frame, and what do we see? Literally, even after this massive drop down, we're still seeing the money flow coming back into the market, getting higher. Again, it's purple now. Why is it purple? Because it's not the cola, guys. Cola has caffeine, but it's the Zevia grape soda. Okay, the Zevia grape soda has no caffeine. See, look, caffeine free. So when we start to see the purple coming up, starting to change blue, aha, caffeine is coming back into the markets. And then also, what do we see right down here? We see price coming down perfectly to our level of support. We see the 4-hour time frame also giving us the juicy. Left a butt cheek over here on the left, nice and the big, nice and the round, and lots of ravioli inside, and the Parmesan cheese, and the pecorino romano coming out, flowing out of the butt cheeks. And then we have the skinny old lady over here at the diner. That skinny old lady at the diner with the Brooklyn accent who smokes too much over here. And she's telling you, all right, Dolores, this guy needs another cup of coffee. You know why he needs another cup of coffee? Because what does coffee have in it? It has caffeine. And what does caffeine do to the markets? It makes it go high, all right? You're getting high on caffeine, all right? It's a socially acceptable drug over here. And I'm addicted to it, all right? I can't even lie about it, all right? So that's how Market Cipher works. Also has a lot of other cool tools in here. Market Cipher SR has a built-in VWAP, as well as range indicators, and then Market Cipher A has some interesting things. You can check it out if you want to. You know, you don't have to, guys. You don't have to.